Wow! Uh-oh, more dinosaur letters are hiding. Nothing under this one. Let's find letter F. Little y. That's not the letter we need. Oh, little f. Now we need big F. Big letter B. But we're still looking for F. Nothing under here. What about here? There it is, big letter F. We found the letter F. Big F, little f. Let's find letter G. Nothing here. Maybe under this one? Little q. That's a different dinosaur letter. Oh, little g. Now we need a big G. Little a. That's not G. Maybe this one? What could this be? It's big G. We found the letter G. Big G, little g. Can you help me find H? Empty. Maybe under this one? Big T. That's not H. Little a. Not the letter we're looking for. Little h. Now we need to find big H. There it is, big H. We found the letter H. Big H, little h. Where could I be? Not here. Here? No, it's little z. Oh, little I. Now to find big I. Nothing here. Big R. Not the letter we need. There it is, big I. We found the letter I. Big I, little I. Let's find our last letter, J. Empty. Big U. Not the letter we need. Little p. We're still looking for J. Oh, there it is, little j. Now we need big J. What could this be? Big J. We found the letter J. Big J, little j. Great matching uppercase and lowercase letters. F, G, H, I, J. That was fun. Let's find more dinosaurs together.